Bet you thought it was a garage sale vlog, but it's not. This is the day. This is day 2 of the green room meetup, and we got some cool things planned today. I'm gonna take you guys with us. So let's go. Yeah, it's lifted. All right, we picked up some other green room members here. Here they are. Now we're heading downtown. Next stop, coffee by the lake. Hey man, we got down the freeway fast. Traffic in Austin really sucks. But we have kickball this morning slated, and we didn't want to like wait in traffic, so here we are chilling out at Lake Austin at a coffee shop called Mozart's. There it is. It's a really nice place.
So there's a dam there. If it wasn't dam, it was dam, and they always call it the lake. You know?
Welcome to beautiful Zilker Park in Austin, Texas. It's an overcast day. This is perfect for kickball. I personally like days like this way better. There's so much traffic in this town that I would assume people are going to kind of stagger in here. It is a beautiful day, and we have some interesting things going down today. So more people coming in, some turnout here, and we are going to be playing here in 1 second. After this, we're going to do some juices. After that, we're going to go into a water hole. Should be pretty cool. Green room meetups are always kid-friendly, so bring your kiddos if you decide to come to one. Green room meetups are encompassing. Like, there's no one that's, you know, sitting there going, oh, I'm the best of this or the best of that. It's a bunch of people that like one central concept, which is resale. And they get together and they share their ideas, and they talk about, you know, what works, what doesn't work, hiccups. And then we do active things like this to kind of break everyone in and get them talking, fun activities. Much better than just sitting in a tiny little box room, you know, with a notepad. I think there are just times and places for those kind of things, but our meetups are a lot more lifestyle driven and just about extreme amounts of networking, like under no pressure. So they're fun. They're just fun little things that we do. Oh, I know. I think they know who you are, man.
Look, this is the rest.
Oh, okay. That's how you do it. Oh, wow. All right. That's how you do it, I guess. Live, laugh, love, Rakin.
Let's do it.
I don't know if he gets it, but let's see if you guys get it. So if you wish you were here, comment down below. Let's get some kickball going down. Now we are progressing the whole group down to the smoothie place, which is Juiceland. It's a local chain here that builds amazing, high quality, natural, organic smoothies. This is what's up. Okay, Wyatt, what's the deal?
Yeah, one of the reasons why I decided to come is because I saw the kickball and I was trying to lose weight and eat healthy and organic. And so I knew that the meetup would be perfect for me.
There you go. That's nice.
In Austin, I'm gonna propose right here.
We just slammed the Juiceland. Tiny little place. And these are all the people that want to get it. Alright, this is the belly of the beast right here. It is so small. They kind of zip you around this entire place. And we're trying to fit everyone in. But we can't. Any good?
Yeah. Up here it's like 12.
It's good? Yo, Ryan, how is it?
Good. I got a morning sunshine.
Decent?
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the best.
Yeah.
I don't know what I got, but it's delicious and I'm happy I got it.
Good. En route to the springs, or the lower part of the springs, the true springs I'm going to show you tomorrow. Bring my GoPro and all that kind of stuff. You've seen them on vlogs before, but we're going to get a lot of people jumping in at the same time at the springs tomorrow. Pretty big line right here. Everyone enjoyed their smoothies. We got Carrie King right here. How was that smoothie?
That smoothie was amazing.
Yep. From Georgia, Carrie King. About to get in here. And it looks cool. We can go further down there, but then it gets all like dogs are in the water. And it's like
Dirty diapers.
a million people. Yeah, trust me, it's wicked, man.
No rope swing? You gotta hang on your
There are a couple like trees here that are kind of low hanging, and you can kind of do things.
I jumped off of one of them.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna get in here real quick. Probably won't get much footage, but tomorrow is really the footage day. But everyone's about to get in.
All right. What you think, buddy? Is it cold? Is it going to be cold in there?
I'm hoping it's super cold.
Yeah?
I'm like so tired right now. Like,
Try to wake you up?
Cold bath.
Yes. Yes. Do you still do those? The cold?
Now and then.
Cold
Yeah,
showers?
I did an ice bath for the first
Ice
time.
bath? Whew. Those are rough.
Brutal. You
Yeah.
done one?
I've done one, but not for like a long time.
I did it for like 4 minutes. It was torture.
Ugh. You look like Tarzan.
What's up?
You look like Tarzan.
I am Tarzan.
Raider, what do they do in the...
Is it cold? It's cold?
Perfect.
All right.
That means cold.
I'm getting in. My turn.
Just got out of the water, straight Steve Aoki style. Anyways, yeah, it was a lot of fun. And we're all getting out of here. We're gonna head to a Goodwill. Imagine that. We're at the Lake House and Goodwill, and I think everyone's in there for the most part. Let's go in there. I'll shop around there, and all like every aisle are resellers that we took here. Ladies, does this look good on me? What do you think? Should I wear this? Got Mike right here.
How you doing, man?
Yeah.
Fired up, dude. Fired up.
He's so happy.
Life is good.
Yeah, you're always happy, dude.
Hey,
We're
bro.
just so happy. My wife and I are gonna take you up on that offer about food one day.
I'm gonna cook for you.
You gonna cook for me?
I love
My
it.
guy wants to cook for me.
What do you like? Lean, mean.
I like a lot of things. Yeah, I mean, I like a lot of just about everything.
We're gonna take it offline, dude. I'm gonna load you up, man.
So it's all about, man. So some Lucchese's cool. They're a little burned up in the back though.
Yeah, look at that.
It's definitely a snake or a lizard. Yeah, I would pass because of this, and I would pass because of that usually. That could be
Oh,
resold,
yeah.
but still.
Okay.
Look at this, look at that.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
What do you think?
How much are they? Oh, heck no. Definitely not. Unless you're gonna wear them yourself.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, it'll look good on you. But I can tell you, want to learn some information about this?
Yeah, so that's a zero drop shoe. Yeah, it is. I mean, they're all right. That one right there needs to be like major mint to pop on it. Finding anything? Not yet.
Let's get this for myself.
Okay. Bacon.
Nice to meet you, Steve. Hey, nice to meet you.
Ever seen-
last year eBay. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool,
Briefly,
man.
couple
You going
minutes.
back again? Not this year. No.
Oh, dang, man, they're taxing hard. I was totally gonna buy this. If this was $20 and below, I would have bought it. I want $70 for this bike. This bike right here can resell for around 80 to 100 bucks. It's an MT60 Trek, front suspension, multiple gears, 20-inch kids bike. It's a really, really tough bike. Strangely enough, a bike like this is about 290 plus at a bike store new. So when you buy it for like 14 bucks or 19 bucks, not 70, you can resell it for around 80 to 100, no problem. Okay, so we are here in the belly of the beast, being a arcade called Pinballs, and there are people everywhere. Beater Pit Beer to picker right there. Tons of people. I mean, everywhere. They're all over the place. So we're gonna have some fun. Check out this shirt that Ryan Roots has. I want to see that shirt. What's up?
It's a good one.
Oh my gosh.
The faded on the back.
So, quick story. Can you give us a quick on it?
This was a gift, actually.
A gift.
Yeah.
From someone that watches you.
subscriber.
Very good.
Yeah, but this was one of my Grail T-shirts.
About to say, if you
And then
found
you
that
won't like
yourself, you would never sell it, right?
Never. I still will never sell it.
Does this bring like joy to your heart? Did you ever
yeah,
play this
yeah.
back in the day?
Oh yeah.
This was your system, right?
I would have bought it. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. How is this place, CP? You've been here before.
No, it's way better now. Way better. It's bigger. It feels cleaner. It's just,
They were waiting for us, so let's go play some games. Yeah. Woo! Nice.
Really good shot.
My strategy.
Whoa!
Monster.
Hey, clean it up. Oh shoot. Ah. Oh, that's a strike. Okay. All right. Well, that was
Nice, dude.
That was close. Oh yeah, dude, that was clean. Here bowling, it's fun.
what player am I?
Well, you came up late.
Oh, look at the van.
What?
The van looks sweet.
Oh yeah, the band was sweet. The band was sweet. Oh yeah! This is definitely one of the best things here. Is the bowling? It's so much fun.
Favorite game out of the whole
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah! That was sick. So now back at the house, I'm actually editing this video. Man, what a fun time that was. Stay tuned for day 3 and 4 of the Green Room Meetup. A lot of fun hanging out with all those resellers. And I just kind of wish it was here again, you know. It's just the best time, and it happens once a year. So hopefully I'll see you at the next Green Room Meetup. But yeah, many more videos to come. Stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.